If you're about to spend over $200 on a cordless drill, stop. Because in 2026, you absolutely do not need to. There are at least 5 drills under $100 right now that can handle real home projects, and one of them performs shockingly close to models that cost twice as much. Today, we're counting down the best 5 drills under $100 based on real performance, torque, battery life, durability, and overall value. Some are perfect for beginners. Some are surprisingly powerful. And the #1 pick is the smartest buy for most homeowners in the US. By the end of this buying guide, you'll know exactly which drill fits your needs and which one gives you the best bang for your money. Welcome to Find the Fine. Let's get started. Before we begin the countdown, here's what actually matters. You want at least 20 volts, around 300 inch-pounds of torque, lithium-ion battery only, a 3/8 inch keyless chuck, and most importantly, balance and comfort. Specs on paper don't matter if the drill feels weak in your hand. Now let's count down from number 5. Number 5, Chemo 20 Volt Cordless Drill Set. If you're brand new to DIY, this is your safest starting point. The Chemo 20 Volt comes with a lithium battery, charger, LED light, variable speed trigger, and a 3/8 inch chuck. It's lightweight and beginner-friendly. Perfect for furniture assembly, hanging shelves, curtain rods, basic drywall work. Now let's be honest, this is not a heavy-duty drill. If you push it into thick hardwood, you'll feel it slow down. But for everyday household tasks, it performs reliably and doesn't feel frustrating. And here's the key part. The Chemo 20 volts typically sells between $50 and $70 on Amazon. For entry-level DIY, that's strong value without overspending. Number 4, AVID Power 20 volt cordless drill. Now things get more interesting. The AVID Power 20 volt feels noticeably stronger than the Chemo under pressure. You get up to 1,400 RPM, solid torque for the price, and smooth trigger control. It handles wood drilling, light metal pilot holes, cabinet installation, general home repairs. Compared to number 5, this one feels more stable and slightly more powerful. It's still not contractor grade, but for homeowners, it's dependable. And the AVID Power 20 volts usually sells between $45 and $65 on Amazon. For that price, it punches above its weight. Before we move to number 3, here's something important. If you're planning to drill into hardwood regularly or build deck projects, stay with me, because the top 3 drills are noticeably stronger. Number 3, BLACK+DECKER LD120VA Max. This is where brand reliability and control really show up. The BLACK+DECKER LD120VA features a 20-volt max battery, a 24-position clutch, and smooth speed control. What makes it stand out is precision. If you're doing cabinet work, furniture builds, or screw-driving projects, that clutch system makes a difference. It doesn't feel aggressive, it feels controlled. Compared to AVID Power, this one wins in comfort and screw precision, but loses slightly in raw torque. The BLACK+DECKER LD120VA typically sells between $50 and $70 on Amazon. Reliable, balanced, trusted, but now we're stepping into real performance territory. Number 2, TPO 20-volt cordless drill kit. This drill feels stronger the moment you use it. Compared to everything we've covered so far, the TPO delivers more torque under load. Hardwood drilling? More confident. Deck boards? More stable. Longer sessions? Better durability. Yes, it's slightly heavier, but that extra weight translates into stronger internal components. If power is your priority under $100, this is a serious contender. The TPO 20 volts typically sells between $65 and $80 on Amazon. For under $100, that level of torque is impressive, but one drill still balances everything better. Number 1, BLACK+DECKER 20. Volt Max Cordless Drill / Driver. This is the smartest overall buy under $100 in 2026. The BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max combines solid torque, smooth trigger response, comfortable grip, good battery life, trusted brand reputation. It handles wood, metal pilot holes, furniture builds, and most home improvement tasks confidently. It's not the absolute strongest. It's not the lightest, but it balances power, comfort, reliability, and price better than the rest. For most homeowners in the United States, this is the safest and smartest choice. And right now, the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max typically sells between $60 and $75 on Amazon. That makes it the best overall value under $100. Final comparison. If you're brand new, Chemo. If you want strong budget performance, AVID Power. If comfort and precision matter, BLACK+DECKER LD 120VA. If torque matters most, TECCPO. But if you want the best balance of performance and price in 2026, BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max wins. Before you buy, check the updated Amazon links in the description. Prices change often, and some of these go on sale. If this buying guide saved you from overspending, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Find the Find for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.